Okay, so we made previously 2 videos about how to do the wiring. Let's see how we did it. It's pretty basic. I just taped the controller here. Let me see, yeah. I taped it here, and then I passed all the wires through safe zones, safe spots. So here you won't have problems with the tires rubbing the body. Same here, you can pass it through here, through the middle, and here. In the first video I showed you how to connect these 2 cables. Those are the 2 cables you can unplug if you want to put up your body away, just in case you need to. And the other cables are just for the lights. This is only for the lights. You can also see the previous video we have on our channel. And yes, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple installation. The lights are just plug and play. Let me show you. Let me see if you can see it in the camera. There. The lights, you just put them in and they just lock like that. And oh yeah, about the tail lights. And then we have the tail lights. In the case of the tail lights, because the drag/body doesn't come with lenses or buckets, we include the buckets. So you can do it 2 ways. You can cut here the body and then you insert the bucket, or you can sand out the paint from the inside and then glue it in from the inside. That's up to you. This is the way I like it, with the lenses and buckets outside. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. The lights are very dim now because we have too much light here. So let's do okay, the turns. As you can see, as I mentioned in the previous video, I have it, yeah, it's wrong. I'm doing left and this is doing right, so I have to remove the LEDs and put it on the other side. Or I can just simply just swap the plugs. Okay, then we have the brakes and reverse. Oh, and I forgot to mention, one important thing is these cables, these 2 cables, if you're going to remove it, just remember which one goes where, because if you connect it the wrong way, you can kill the controller. The lights will be safe, but the controller is the one that will have problems if you don't connect the lights the proper way, the cables. Now, a lot of people is having trouble by connecting this cable. We found out that they were connecting it backwards. If you connect it backwards, you might lose steering, or your throttle may not respond. That's because you have this one connected the wrong way. And this one is the most important one, the first one. If you connect it backwards, you will burn the controller. So make sure that the positive is the right way, right to the outside. Again, I'm gonna quickly show you the functions. You can turn left, turn right,